Our matariki party is going to be the best party ever.
It sure is.
Gathering friends to reflect on our matariki adventures and to eat delicious kai.
We did tell our guests the time and place, didn't we?
I think we kept it a little loose.
Maybe we should text them.
No phone,
Email them?
no computer,
Airmail them?
can't fly.
How are we going to call our guests to our matariki party?
What about a conch shell?
What shell?
A conch shell. You know, you blow it to make noise, like a putatara.
Yes! We can use nature to call our friends to a party celebrating nature.
Makes sense, Kiwi.
Do you know where we can find a good shell?
I think so. Follow me. Ko Benee aho.
Thanks for helping us out, Benee.
It's my pleasure. I just finished making my wishes to Hiwa-i-te-Rangi, so I'm totally free.
Hiwa-i-te-Rangi.
The matariki star representing hopes and aspirations for the future.
Right, because matariki is Māori New Year.
What did you wish for?
Another fun year, for my whānau to stay healthy, and for my best friend Huia to stop ignoring my texts.
Can we wish on Hiwa-i-te-Rangi too?
Of course. Matariki is for everyone.
Yes! You know what I'm going to wish for the new year, Kiwi? More adventures with my best friend!
Wow, you guys seem like really good mates.
We're the bestest of buds.
I bet you text each other back promptly and wouldn't leave your sister super lonely.
We didn't have phones, but if we did,
We totally would.
I'm sure Huia has a good reason for not getting back to you.
Thanks, Kiwi. Now let's find you that shell.
Is that a conch shell?
Nope, that's a kikino.
Stink. What about that?
Nope, oiho.
You know what shells look like. Aingiru.
Yeah. It's just dark and nighttime and hard to make out shapes of things.
There might be one in this cool spooky cave.
Did she just go into that not cool spooky cave?
Yes, hara mai neru.
Last time I was in here, there were heaps of shells.
This cave is giving me good vibes.
It's giving me dark and scary vibes.
I wonder if there's glittering treasures in here.
My best friend Huia loves glitter.
Yeah, as long as there aren't any monsters.
Kia ora whānau.
Whoa, chill out, dude. Hey, look, I won't hurt you.
Kia ora wheke. Looks like you've collected a lot of shells.
Yeah. Oh, I like how smooth they feel when you hold them.
I know what you mean.
You don't eat cats, do you, Vicky?
Cat? Nah, I'm on a strict Kamoana diet.
My new friends are looking for a conch shell to call guests to their party.
Oh, well, this one's pretty sweet. I'd love for you to have it, Kiwi.
Wow, thanks, Vicky.
No worries. My wish to Hiwa-i-te-Rangi was to have more friends to share things with. Looks like my wish came true, eh?
Would you like to come to our matariki party?
Oh, love to, bro.
You too, Benee?
Thanks. I'll bring my best friend Huia with me, if she ever texts me back.
Oh, you know the phone reception isn't pie round here, eh?
Really?
But that corner of the cave has particularly sweet phone vibes.
Told you this cave had good vibes.
It's Huia. She sent me a meme.
The 9 styles of Matariki have really made me feel more connected to nature, Neru.
And made me reflect on how great our friendship is, Kiwi.
And filled me with hope for the future. We've had a pretty cool adventure.
And gathered some delicious kai.
And made some awesome new friends. I guess there's only one thing left to do.
Get home, prepare the food, and gather our guests.
Okay, a few things left to do then.